Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel WanderRoads. I hope you all are doing fit and fine. A new day, a new opportunity, new time. So today we are going to a place called Sadahalli. So it's somewhere around maybe like 30 kilometer or 40 kilometer from Bangalore. So there is a quarry, just nothing but abandoned place, where the marble, you know the excavation was happening. So I'm going there. It's Saturday anyways, my recovery time, and it's been a long time I didn't catch up with my friend Dr. Vinayak. So he stays in Yalanka. I'll introduce you to him in a while. I don't know how many, but if anyone using KTM Adventure previous gen watching this video, do let me know. Are you happy with the mirror visibility? I'm personally not. The endings are very narrow. Even this blind spot mirror don't stay at spot. Okay, then without boring much, I'll quickly go to Vinayak's cleaning and I'll introduce to you. So here I am at Vinayak's clinic. He was pulling my legs actually because my mic stopped working. I couldn't record the audio. There's a story behind that, I'll tell you. Okay, so let me park my vehicle.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
ನಾನು ದೀಪ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ? ಯಾಕೆ?
ತುಂಬ ಹೆವಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
ಬರಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ.
ಅದೌದು.
ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಿದ್ದು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು.
ಇರಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡುವ. ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು?
ಯಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
4K ನೋಡೋದಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಂತ?
ನೋಡು,
4K ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾರಿ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಕೈ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್.
We thought of starting the ride soon but ended up in bright and hot afternoon. So after struggling for almost whole day, I figured out I missed one jack, a pin that connects to GoPro mic adapter. So for a second I thought my adapter or mic stopped working, but luckily no, it's not. So let's go to Quarry now.
In front of me is our Dr. Vinayak, the CEO of Vaidya Vishya Ayurveda Center. So blue color, not living there. One more electric event is coming right on.
Never trust Google Map. We took this round almost 2 times in the same spot. Now we got the turn, we are going there.
What are they doing, man? There, why the water is blue?
ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಕಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
ಕಲ್ಲು ಡ್ರಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಥರ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಥರ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನಲ್ಲಿ there is one more place actually, I don't know what is it, granite kind of place it is. Bro, look plain. Kach, yeah, that is also somewhere similar.
See, actually you might think that JCB is working, right? Actually no, it is like very old. There is one sunk in the water also there, if you can say that.
The JCB, how will they get it out, I'm thinking?
They left it, bro. Once the government banned it, no, they left everything there only and went.
Government banned it?
Yeah, actually they banned it because of this airport only. Because if they do mining, no,
What will
so
happen?
much dust, and there might be disturbances for the airplane.
Okay.
That's why they banned is what I have heard. I don't know again what is the full story. But that they have carved sight, man. Like ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಅದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೆತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೌನ್. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶೇಪ್ನ.
Okay, now the recording has been started. Let's explore the quarry. You have to endure a battery, man. I don't have. Why I can't come back? Come on. Don't promote, man. Papa localite. Tomorrow he might go inside if something happens. Ayyo, Papa guy. What are you doing? Where? Which side? It's okay, bro. We are adventurous. ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಇಡಲಿಕ್ಕೇನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ ಬೈಕನ್ನು, ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಬ್ರೋ, ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರನ್ನು ಅವಾಗ. ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು, ಆರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗು. ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ABS ಮಾಡಲಾ ಅವನು? ಇರಿ, ನಾನು ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ABS ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ, ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಬೇಡ. Where, bro? Chameleon. Oh, nice, no? It's not seen. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. It's a place, bro, but it shouldn't get popular also actually. Why, this peace won't be there. So many people will come and it will be, I mean, not everyone will maintain that decency, right? People will start messing up. They will do all possible crazy things, and that is not good ಅಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಇದೆ ಬ್ರೋ. ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಬ್ರೋ? ಹೇಗೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಆಸ್ ಯು ಸೇ. ಓಕೆ ಬ್ರೋ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬ್ರೋ, ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಹುಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹುಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹುಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು, ಇದು ಸೇಫ್ ಇದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಫ್ ಇದೆ ಹೌದು,
ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಹೈಟಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೋದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯೂ. ಲುಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, JCB की खुदा है, switch this off. Why it is needed? Is it? Can go, but no need, bro. It is risky. Where we can go?
You can actually park our bikes here, man.
Allah,
That looks very nice, no?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡುವ.
Actually, what we can do is we can park our bikes parallelly and we can sit there in the edge and we can talk actually. ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೀಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಇದೆ. Beautiful, no? Oh.
So we have reached the quarry. This is
Looks
Dr.
beautiful.
Vinayak.
The water is so clear here.
Yeah.
The reflection of the sky is falling on the water. You can see.
Yeah.
It looks so pretty, man. It's like this turquoise color. Turquoise. Turquoise. Color. Correction.
Correction. If any girls are watching, they can correct. They know the color better. Yeah. One more flight, bro.
Yes.
Where is it? Is it visible? Oh, there.
So peaceful.
So there is our bike over there. I don't know if you can see. Sarvalla, bro. Illa.
Taro bike taro illige. Signing off.
Signing off. No, not signing off. Picture abhi baki
Cut ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ.
Look at this. So I'm going down to keep my tripod and take a small shot. There is my helmet.
Okay, now I'm going down. Bike is in off-roading mode. Off-road ABS. This is Charapara sound. ಬರೋದಾ? ಹೋಪ್ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಣಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
So I've kept my tripod over there. I'm recording on my phone so that while can get a shot while we are coming down. So right now we were discussing the next spot we're planning to go. There is a temple on peak. I think it's a Shiva temple. It's been abandoned. So yeah, we're going and checking. It's a private property, I think. Yeah.
ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಫ್ರೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು.
ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್?
ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ.
ನಾನು ಹೇ ಗೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್
Wheels and Wonders ಅಲ್ಲ?
ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಂಡರ್ಲಸ್ಟ್. ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ?
Wonders. Wonders.
ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಂಡರ್ಸ್.
So we had planned to record a video. It failed very abruptly because camera stopped recording video after a while, and then it started raining very badly. So without taking risk, we had to head back. But it's raining like anything. I'm totally wet right now. So we are going down. You can see the quarry. It's completely here, bro. Completely raining like anything. So we are heading out. We thought it will reduce, but it's not reducing. Okay. So I'm ending my log over here. Thank you for so much for watching. Yep. I'm signing off.